What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can buy or purchase XRP Ripple on the Trading 212 app. Now before we continue, please keep in mind that nothing mentioned in this video is financial advice and I'm not a registered financial advisor. So this video is strictly for informational and educational purposes only, and also please do your own research before purchasing any cryptocurrency. And now with that out of the way, let's go ahead and continue. Now, the way that you can purchase XRP Ripple on the Trading 212 app, first you just need to make sure that you're actually on the crypto section of the app, so you can purchase a correct investment vehicle. So as you can see right here, we are. So once you're here, just go ahead and tap on XRP, or you can search it in this search bar right here. But we'll just select it from here. Now, once you're on the XRP tab, here you will be able to see the historical price graph, but we would just need to tap on buy right here. So you would just need to input the amount of XRP that you would like to purchase, that being in euro value or your currency value, or even in the flat XRP value if you tap this button. But I will just keep it at euros. So let's go ahead and input, for example, 3 euros of XRP that we want to purchase. I will just tap preview order, and here you can see a quick order roundup of the XRP that we're purchasing. And if this looks good to you, you can just go ahead and tap on send buy order. And there we go. We just purchased about 1.5 XRP. Now if you go back to your portfolio section right here, you would be able to see XRP under your crypto section. So as you can see, this is the XRP that we just purchased. And essentially, guys, that's how you can buy or purchase XRP on the Trading 212 section of the app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.